Hi, this is your friend Rishikesh Arazu. So in this video we are going to demonstrate one of the simplest sorting technique called insertion sort. So in this we are going to see three things, how the insertions are going to work, and we will go through a PPT, and we will see an example for that, and we will also see the code in order to get final sorted list from the given list. So friends, so now we will go through the PPT and also the code in online platform, CodeChef platform IDE. There we are going to write the code, and we are going to check it for output. So friends, like this video, so share this video to your friends, and subscribe to my channel. So click on bell icon so that any new videos which I am going to post in my channel, that are automatically going to be notified to you. So this sorting techniques videos at which I am working will be very much useful to you. So encourage my friends. So in a short while we are going to see PPT and the code. We are going to see the insertion sort through a PPT. So we will check it. So when you see the working of the insertion sort, suppose you have a list, an array which consisting of some number of elements. So the first element by default we consider as a sorted element. We are going to take second element as key for first pass, so that second element we are comparing with its previous element. So if that previous element is greater than the key element, for first time that is the second element. Okay, so if that previous element is greater than the what key element, then the previous element going to be shifted one step right, and that key element going to be placed in the previous element place. So that is first pass. When you come to second pass, so the third element is now the key. 1, 2, 3. Three in the elements. Third element now we are taking as the key. That key element compared with its previous element means second element in its left part. So if that key is less than the second element, then that second element to be shifted one step right, and that key element again compared with the first element. Okay, if that key element is less than the first element, that first element also shifted one step right, and that key element we are going to keep at first place. So now we are going to move on the third pass. In third pass, fourth element we are going to take as the key element, and that is compared with this previous element, third element. If third element is greater than the key element, that third element should be shifted one step right. Then the key element compared with second element. If second element is still greater than the key element, that key element should be moved one step right. And in the process, suppose key element is greater than the first element, so then the key element should be inserted after first element and before that third element. Okay, so in the process we are going to repeat the process, and that going to lead to produce the sorted list. So if you see here the text, here we are taking the second element as second element as the key element, and the key is compared with the previous element. So it's like when you are playing the cards, so and you want to arrange the sorting of those playing cards. Okay, so we are inserting the element in its exact place. Okay, so for that what you are doing, the remaining cards which are all greater than that that card which we are going to insert the exact place at appropriate place. So those cards are shifted one step right. So and we are going to insert that card after after the card which is smaller than that, and before the card which are greater than that. Like that we are going to proceed it. So we are comparing key element with the elements before it. In this case here for first pass the first element is at index 0. If that key element is less than that 0th element, first element, so we need to insert that key before that first element. If the key is greater than the first element, then we will insert that element after first element. So the pass 1 is over. Then pass 2, if we take third element, we are taking as a key element and we are comparing with its previous elements to its left side. So and we are finding for appropriate position by shifting the elements which are greater than that. And we need to repeat this process until the final array whatever we are going to get is the sorted array. So this is an example. Please focus on that. You have the initial list like this: 5 1 6 2 4 3. Here second element is here considered as the key element. His previous element is greater than 1. Yes. So 5 should be shifted one step right. Okay. And this key element should be inserted before to that 5. So this is actually taking place 1 5 1 5. Next remaining elements 6 2 4 3. In that in another pass, the 6 is the key element. So its previous element is greater than 6. No. Okay. So we won't do any swappings, any means any further process we won't do. So in the pass, for that current pass, then we are moving to the another pass. There 2 is the key element that is compared with 6. So the previous element is greater than 2. So 6 should be shifted one step right. Then 2 key element is compared with its previous element 5. That 5 is less than 5 is greater than 2. So that whatever greater elements are there in its left side are shifted one step right. So 5 also shifted one step right, and 2 compared with 1. So 2 is greater than 1. So 2 should be inserted after 1 and before 5. So that's what we did. And remaining elements are 4 3. So this another pass 4 is the key element that is compared with 6. Its previous element is greater than 4. So 6 should be shifted right, and the key element is compared with its previous the previous element. So 4 compared with 5. So 5 is still 5 is greater than 4. So 5 should be shifted one step right, and 4 compared with 2. 4 compared with 2. 4 is greater than 2. So 4 should be inserted after 2 and before 5. So and last element 3. 3 element compared with its previous element. So 6 greater than 3. So 6 should be shifted one step right, and 3 compared with 6 before element 5. So the 5 is greater than 3. So 5 also should be shifted one step right, and 3 compared with 5 before element 4. So the 4 is greater than 3. So 4 also shifted one step right. 3 compared with 2. Okay, 2. So but it is greater than 2. So it is inserted after 2 and before 4. And final sorted list. Final list we are going to get is a sorted list. Okay. So I think you understood the flow of processing of sorting, the sorting using insertion sorter. Next here what we observed is here, if you when you fix one key and the elements to the left side of that key, if they are greater than the key element, they were shifted one step right, and if any element is less than the key element, then the key element should be inserted after that reference element. Okay, that's what we observed here. And this is another example we need to work at your side. So 14, 33, 27, 10, 35, 19, 42, 44. So these are the given list of elements. Here 33 is the first element, so its previous element is smaller than that. So you should not do any swapping. Then in another pass, 27 is the key element, is compared with previous element. Yes, previous element is greater than 27. So 33 shifted one step right, and the 27 also compared with 14, and here for 27 the piece 14 less than 27, so 27 inserted after 14 but before 33. So this one, so current value in this pass is 33 for first pass. Okay, so in second pass 27 that is going to be inserted after 14 and 33 and before 33. Yes. Okay, this time now current value is 10. Now this is current value is 10. It is going to be compared with its left side elements. So you compare with 33. So its previous element is greater than 10. So 33 shifted one step right, and 10 also compared with 33 before element 27. 27 is greater than 10. So 27 also shifted one step right, and 10 compared with 27 before element previous element 14. So that is also greater than 10. So 14 shifted one step right, and 10 inserted at the first place. Okay, in another pass here 35 is the key element. So that 35 compared with its previous element 33. So that is 33 is not greater than 35. So no swappings. We will move to another pass. There 19 is the key element compared with its previous element, immediate previous element. Yes, greater than previous element is greater than 19. So 35 shifted one step right, and 19 compared with 35 previous element 33 is greater than, so 33 also shifted one step right, and 19 compared with 33 previous element 27. So yes, 27 is greater than, previous element is greater than that key element, so that 27 also shifted one step right, and 19 key element is compared with 27 previous element before element 14. So here the previous element is less than the key element, so it is the reference element. After 14 we are inserting 19, but before 27. Okay, and if you see the list, the elements are all in solid order. So we got the output. So thank you friends, and now we are going to see the output in CodeChef platform. So friends, you observe here, so the code is written in a Python language. So I already taking some list, and I am calling insertion sort method and passing that list as an argument to that. So it transfers control to go to insertion sort method. So there I am navigating from first index to, but that means second index to the last element, last index from the array. So here index is 1 for first time. Okay, so current value is second element, and position is also second element, second position of the array. And here we are checking this logic is for shifting the left side elements to the previous element. That means previous elements of the key element are shifted one step right in order to accommodate space for that key element to insert. Okay, so if you consider here the example we already seen, if you take here 1433, so 33 is here the current element, and position is also here 1. Array starts from index 0 na, so this index is 1. So if you see here condition is satisfied because position is 1, and previous element if you take 1433, so that 14 is greater than 33, no, so this loop won't be executed. And if you see here list of 1 equal to what is current value, list of 1 only, 33 will be 33 only. Next second pass, if you take index equal to 2 means third element. So third element, if you see third element 27, okay, so its previous element 33, its previous element 14. So now if you see here, position, that is 2 greater than 0, and first position element 33 is greater than 27. Yes. So what we are doing is we are shifting the left side elements to one step right. So now that second index means the third index in our array, third position going to be occupied by that is going to be replaced with means that is going to be taken by the second position element. And here position will become now position minus 1. Now position will become 2. Position will become now 2. So 2 greater than 0. Earlier it is here 2. So 2 minus 1, 1. 1 means second element. Okay. 2 means third element. Array because starts from 0, index 0. So if you see here, the first position is if you see here, this condition if obeys, here condition not satisfied because the second element there is first element there is 14 greater than 27. No. So when you come out of the loop, position we extracted. Okay, so position is now 1. Actually it is 0 in array because it starts from 0. So array of 1 equal to the current value. Current value is third element at 27. Okay, so here 27 going to be placed. Okay, and if you see one more iteration, so to understand it I am explaining in detail. So next iteration, the I is 3, 0 1 2 3, I is 3. Okay, so now we analyze the code that fourth element here is 10. So there is a position here 3 greater than 0. Yes, and its previous element, that is 33 is greater than 10. That yes. So we are shifting that 33 one step right, means fourth position now is taken by third position, and third position will become our second position, and the 10 is compared with now here the second position element, that is 27. Okay, 27 greater than 10. Yes. So here the third position going to be assigned by the second element, and here that second element will become here first position. So there in another iteration, so first element position is compared with key element. So there first element is 14 is greater than 10. Yes. So that is also shifted one step right, and now position equal to position minus 1. So here it is 0. It is 0 here. When you go to another iteration, the while loop condition fails. So at the time position 0, a list of 0, first position is placed by assigned by the key element. So like this the procedure goes till all the elements are in a sorted order. So I think it is very much clear to you, friends. So only thing you need to hear understand is in every pass key element we are picking, and that key element should be compared with its left side elements. First immediate left element, if there is greater than, so that immediate element we are assigned to the current position. That key element if compared with its previous element. So if there is still greater than, that element also assigned to this next position. Like that we are finding a space to accommodate that key element. So like this, friends, we need to proceed, and we are going to get the sorted list using this insertion sort. So that's all, friends. So like this video, share this video to your friends, and subscribe to my channel, and click on bell icon to receive future new videos that I am going to post in my channel. So thank you, friends.